Nestled between Malaysia and Indonesia, Singapore's tiny island was once just another trading post. Yet today, it stands as one of the world's most successful nations, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. This documentary explores how a place with few natural resources and no strategic value transformed itself into a global economic powerhouse. It's a story of resilience and vision. In the 19th century, Singapore was a sleepy fishing village. Then came Sir Stamford Raffles, who saw its potential as a strategic port for British trade routes. Under British rule, Singapore grew rapidly, becoming a bustling center for commerce. But it faced many challenges, including limited land and resources. After World War II and independence, Singapore had to rebuild. It faced unemployment, racial tensions, and a lack of natural resources. Yet, it found ways to thrive. Through strategic policies and investments, Singapore diversified its economy. It attracted foreign companies and became a hub for manufacturing and finance. Remarkable urban planning turned Singapore into a model city-state. Gardens by the Bay and the Marina Barrage are testaments to sustainable development. Investing heavily in education, Singapore created a skilled workforce. Today, it ranks among the world's top countries in educational standards and outcomes. Despite its challenges, Singapore continues to innovate. From smart city initiatives to sustainable living, its future looks bright, built on a legacy of hard work and foresight. Singapore's strategic location made it a vital trading hub. By the 1960s, the government focused on attracting foreign investment, building infrastructure, and creating economic zones to foster growth. To ensure stability and security, Singapore invested heavily in defense. The armed forces became one of the best equipped and trained in Southeast Asia, safeguarding the nation's sovereignty and development. In the early 1970s, Singapore launched the Clean and Green campaign, transforming the city into a lush oasis. Today, parks and gardens cover nearly half the land area, making it one of the world's greenest cities. Education remains central to Singapore's success. The system prioritizes meritocracy and innovation, producing top-performing students who excel globally in math, science, and technology. Singapore's multicultural society thrives on diversity. Malay, Chinese, Indian, and Eurasian communities coexist peacefully, enriching the nation with a unique blend of traditions, languages, and cuisines. By embracing technology, Singapore has become a leader in digital innovation. Smart sensors and data analytics optimize traffic flow, public services, and urban planning, enhancing residents' quality of life. Renewable energy projects are expanding across Singapore. Solar panels adorn rooftops, and floating photovoltaic systems generate clean power, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Efforts to manage water resources have transformed Singapore. Advanced desalination plants and rainwater collection systems ensure a sustainable supply for a growing population. Singapore's public transportation network is among the most efficient in the world. MRT lines connect the entire island, reducing congestion and pollution while providing reliable service. Innovative policies support startups and entrepreneurs. Incubators and accelerators offer resources, funding, and mentorship, fostering a culture of creativity and risk-taking. Singapore's healthcare system ranks highly worldwide. Cutting-edge facilities and preventive care programs aim to provide universal access to high-quality medical services. Cultural institutions like the National Gallery and Esplanade promote arts and heritage. These venues showcase local and international talent, enriching the community with diverse cultural experiences. Urban farming initiatives have taken root across Singapore. Vertical farms and rooftop gardens help address food security issues while beautifying the cityscape. Public housing projects house over 80% of Singaporeans. Well-designed and well-maintained HDB estates offer affordable living spaces, fostering a sense of community. Singapore's legal framework attracts multinational corporations. Guide. Clear regulations, strong intellectual property laws, and a robust judiciary support business operations and investments. Transportation innovations like autonomous vehicles and drone delivery systems are being tested in Singapore. These technologies promise to revolutionize logistics and urban mobility. Singapore's commitment to environmental sustainability extends to waste management. Recycling programs and waste-to-energy plants reduce landfill usage and generate renewable energy. Singapore's education system fosters critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Students learn to adapt and innovate, preparing them for an ever-changing global economy. Public safety measures are stringent in Singapore. Strict laws and community policing efforts create a secure environment, contributing to the nation's prosperity and social harmony. Singapore's transportation network integrates seamlessly with other modes of transport. Bus stops, MRT stations, and taxis operate efficiently, ensuring smooth commutes for residents. Singapore's financial sector is a global hub. The Monetary Authority of Singapore oversees banking, insurance, and securities markets, maintaining financial stability and integrity. Community centers serve as focal points for social activities. They host events, classes, and clubs, encouraging interaction and building strong neighborhoods. Singapore's commitment to education extends beyond schools. Lifelong learning programs and adult education courses empower citizens to acquire new skills and stay competitive. Public health campaigns focus on preventive care. Regular screenings, health checks, and wellness programs promote healthy lifestyles and early disease detection. Singapore's housing policy transformed slums into vibrant neighborhoods. The Housing Development Board built affordable homes for all citizens, ensuring everyone had access to quality living spaces. This policy also fostered social cohesion and national pride. Transportation infrastructure is crucial for Singapore's success. Extensive networks of roads, bus routes, and the world-renowned MRT system connect every part of the island efficiently. These systems ensure smooth commutes and support economic growth. Singapore embraced technology early, becoming one of the world's most wired cities. High-speed internet and advanced telecommunications networks support businesses and daily life. Smart city initiatives improve services and enhance residents' quality of life. Environmental sustainability is a priority for Singapore. Gardens by the Bay showcases innovative green architecture. Vertical gardens and solar-powered conservatories demonstrate how urban spaces can coexist harmoniously with nature, setting an example for other cities. From a small fishing village to a global financial hub, Singapore's journey has been nothing short of miraculous. Its success lies in visionary leadership, strategic planning, and relentless innovation. Today, Singapore stands as a beacon of modernity, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. The city-state continues to evolve, setting new standards in urban living and economic prosperity. Yet, beneath its gleaming skyscrapers and bustling streets, Singapore's true strength lies in its people, a diverse society united by a shared vision of progress and excellence. Singapore's story is a testament to the power of determination and innovation. It shows how even the smallest nations can achieve greatness when guided by a clear vision and strong resolve. This island nation has defied all odds, transforming itself into an international powerhouse. It proves that with the right strategies and unwavering commitment, anything is possible. As we reflect on Singapore's incredible journey, we see a model of sustainable growth and urban development. Its achievements inspire us to dream big and strive for excellence. In the face of challenges, Singapore's story teaches us resilience and adaptability. It reminds us that every obstacle is an opportunity to innovate and improve. What began as a tiny island has become a global leader in finance, technology, and innovation. Singapore's rise is a powerful reminder of human potential and the power of collective effort. As we look to the future, Singapore continues to set new benchmarks for urban development and sustainability. Its legacy is one of perseverance and achievement. For anyone who dreams of building a better tomorrow, Singapore's journey offers hope and inspiration. It shows that with vision and hard work, even the impossible can be achieved. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Singapore's incredible rise. We hope this documentary has inspired you to dream big and work hard towards your goals. Goodbye until next time.